Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to more security settings and scroll to find this credential storage section. Tap on clear credentials and tap on remove to confirm. And as you can see, we've got this information, but not only, because also this option to clear credentials is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.